In this episode of I Tried It, we're going to test this side hustle that claims that we can make $1.20 for every ad watched. I'm going to show you what I earned after doing this for 1 hour, if this is an opportunity that you should pursue, and if there are better things out there. So watch this entire video if you are interested to learn if I earned $1.20 for simply watching ads. Hi, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I create content to actually help you make money online and not just to put money into my own pockets. And if you want to be added to the globe, comment down below with your city, state, zip code, province, or country, and I'll get you pinned. All right, so as I mentioned, I watched this video that claims that we can make $1.20 simply watching ads. Now, basically what the video says is that we're going to go to this website called surf.b. We are going to install a Chrome plugin, and then we can just surf the internet and watch ads. Now, what I did is I tried this for 1 hour. I simply followed the directions as outlined in the original video, and I'm going to reveal my results. So the process is really simple. We go to surf.b and we install a Chrome plugin. The plugin is free, obviously, and the Chrome plugin actually has a lot of ratings. I believe at the time of the video, it had over 1,100 4-star ratings, which is normally a good sign. One of my concerns when doing these different I Tried It is downloading and installing plugins have a lot of malware and a lot of spam, but fortunately, because it's in the Google Chrome store, it usually has been vetted, it has been reviewed. So after that, the process is really simple. Once you have the Chrome plugin installed, you're just going to go to websites like Google and CNN and ESPN, as I did, and an ad is either going to show up at the top or the bottom. And as you navigate the web pages and the websites, you will start getting paid. Now, one thing that I noticed immediately is the only way to get credit is to actually be on the website. One of the things that I try to do is I try to have a web page open on one screen and then do stuff on the other screen. Now, when I did that, I actually didn't get any credit. One thing that you can do or can try is simply using YouTube. Go over to YouTube and watch a longer video and you can potentially start getting paid. However, you won't get paid for the entire time. You have to kind of move your mouse and you have to navigate to different websites, as you can see what I tried to do. Now, apparently it's not any more complicated than that. You just literally browse the internet. Other things that you can do with this app is you can actually go to the plugin and get paid to go to different websites. You can also get paid to watch different videos for 30 seconds or so. As you can see, that's exactly what I tried to do. Now, there are a few problems that I find with this type of way to make money. One, it's active income. You can only make money if you're actively doing it. Another problem that I found is that you stop earning watching ads after about 30 minutes. Like I said, I was doing this for about 1 hour and I noticed about 30 minutes into it, you stopped making change by watching ads. So you had to find a different way to earn money. Another issue that I found is that some of the CAPTCHAs don't work properly if you're trying to earn money watching ads. As I mentioned, one of the ways that you can earn money on this platform is by clicking and watching ads that they have deemed worthy to watch. As you'll notice multiple times, I wasn't actually able to collect on watching one of these videos because the CAPTCHA was weird. And so unfortunately that didn't work for me. I was able to earn money by clicking on different websites they instruct you to go to. So that's a good thing. Some of this does work well. Well is relative in this instance, but some of it does not work very well at all, as I mentioned with the CAPTCHA. So after doing this for an hour, which included watching videos, navigating the internet, going to websites like ESPN, CNN, Google, and even Yahoo, this is exactly how much I made. Now, one weird thing about this is that you can withdraw as soon as you make 3 cents. In my opinion, that's a red flag. If they're letting you withdraw with just 3 cents, I don't think that's a good sign of things to come. So if we look at this, I earned a total of 0.010667, so just over 1 penny. And again, the withdrawal is with 3 cents. So after doing this for 1 hour, I made 1 penny. The original content creator claims that you can earn $1.20 simply watching ads. This is a flat out lie. Unfortunately, it is not possible to earn $1.20. I earned a penny for an hour's worth of work. You would be better off going and finding work instead of trying to do this method. Other ways that this original content creator claims that you can make money is with affiliate or referral marketing. Now, unfortunately, unfortunately, you only get like 10% of whatever your referral makes. So if someone were to refer me, they would make 10% of 1 penny, which math is not my strong point. It would be fractions of a cent. So unfortunately, this will not help you make $1.20. You will make a penny for doing this for 1 hour. You would have to do this literally. You'd have to literally do this for thousands of hours to make a decent amount of money. If you are considering on doing this, you might as well go get a part-time job at McDonald's. McDonald's here in the US pays like $13 an hour. And so you'd be making much more money just going to get a job and putting in manual labor. I mean, if we compare the two, getting a job at a fast food restaurant is going to be much more profitable. Both are active income, so you're only going to be making money when you work. Both require your time, energy, and effort. But the McDonald's, the fast food restaurant, is going to pay you much more handsomely, and you won't have to worry about your computer being compromised down the long run. So now that we know that this method won't work, let's talk about some ways that you could actually be successful online. One thing that you can do is you can identify a target audience that you want to talk to. If you can't find your target audience, you can't think of a way to find a group of people that you want to talk to, use ChatGPT. Go over to ChatGPT and type in, "I enjoy playing video games. My favorite video game is the NFL Madden franchise. Create a audience persona based on my hobby." And so ChatGPT is actually going to tell you who you should talk to based on what your hobby is. It can't really get any easier than this, especially in 2023. 5, 10, 15 years ago, you had to think and try and figure out who you wanted to speak to. You just simply type in what you like to do, what your hobby is, and ask ChatGPT to give you an audience persona, and it's going to tell you the type of person they are, how much money they make, their pain points, things that you could help them with, and it doesn't really get any easier than this. And so there's really no reason, and if we look on the screen here, you can see that this ad popped up, and so I'm going to get paid for this. But there's really no reason not to be successful in 2023 unless you're making some sort of excuse that is preventing you from being successful. Like I said, I typed in my hobby, and my hobby is playing the NFL Madden franchise. Create an audience persona. It's going to tell us who that person is. Between 20 and 35, avid gamer, a male. They live in the United States. Their education, some college or bachelor's degree. Occupation, varied. Their interest, strong interest in American football. Enjoys keeping up with sports. Their behavioral traits, technology use, purchasing power, likely to purchase. Then we're going to say, I'm just going to move this up here so that I can continue to get paid my millions of fractions of cents. I'm going to say, list 10 pain points that I could create content around. And then I'm going to ask it, how can I monetize this target audience? And once again, ChatGPT is going to tell us. And all we need to do is we just need to create the content based on what ChatGPT is telling us. In fact, we could get to a point where AI could create the content based on what AI recommends. And I'll even show you how to do that right into ChatGPT. So as you can see, it is listing 10 pain points that you could potentially create content. And now I need to just ask ChatGPT how to monetize this target audience, like this. And it's going to give us 5 or 10 ways that we can actually monetize this target audience. Affiliate marketing, which is recommending other people's products and services. What you would do is you would go find different products that this group of people would be interested in. Maybe gaming chairs, maybe specialized controllers, maybe a gaming desk, a gaming laptop, things of that nature. We could get sponsored by different companies. These are brand deal sponsorships. You could get monetized by YouTube. You could actually create a membership over on something like Patreon. We could create an online course where we teach people how to do something within the game. For example, one of the game modes is called Madden Ultimate Team. And we could create an online course or coaching, maybe even a one-on-one, where we teach people how to level up their Madden Ultimate Team so that they can have more fun, they can win more games and beat their friends. That's actually a good little hook there. Online coaching and tutorials, merchandising, so we could create merch, ebooks and guides, so we could create one of those little ebooks. Now, when I think about ebooks and guides, it reminds me back when I was a little kid and we used to go to Kmart, and underneath the video games, they had those little guides that you could read. I vividly remember the Mortal Kombat guides that would actually have all the different button combinations for the finishing moves. You could do something like that, but for your niche. Event organization, advertising, and consultancy. So most of these are really good ideas, and these are ideas that you you could create this weekend or over the weekend. Now we're going to just type in one more thing, list content ideas to address this pain point. And as you will see, once again, ChatGPT does the work for you. You just need to do the content creation. So you could create an entire YouTube channel talking about the Ultimate Team building guides. And just to verify that this is something that people are actually looking up, we could type in Madden 24 Ultimate Team. Look at this. No money spent, opening a pack, gameplay, glitch, and then we're just going to type in guide like this, because that was what ChatGPT recommended. And you can see that there are lots of people that are interested in these guides, and you just have to create it. You can use ChatGPT, you can use AI to come up with the idea, who to target, how to target. You just need to create the videos. And in 2024, you could create TikTok videos, you could create YouTube shorts. If we take a look at TikTok, we could just type in Madden 24 Ultimate Team. Look at this. Ultimate Team tips. So now we create a video about Madden 24 Ultimate Team tips. 53,000 views, 70,000 views, 31,000 views. And if you're not sure the monetization that ChatGPT came up with will work, you can reverse engineer and look and see what people are already doing. This guy has a link tree. And on his link tree, which I don't recommend, he is linking to his TikTok, YouTube, Kick, I'm not sure what that is, Twitter, Instagram, Discord. Probably not the best monetization. There are plenty of other ways, better ways that this guy could monetize. This guy is probably monetizing with his Discord channel. Maybe he has a paid Discord where he's offering tips, tricks, and advice. It looks like he's doing a free Discord. Maybe he's selling individual courses or coaching on the back end. If we look at this guy, he has play.underdogfantasy.com. I'm not sure what that is, but hopefully you're able to see that this is something that anybody can do. Maybe your hobby isn't, he's getting paid by Twitch. Maybe your hobby isn't video games. Type in whatever your hobby is, ask for an audience persona, and before you know it, you can actually make money simply talking, doing things about your hobby. That is going to pay you much more than what the original content creator says. You just need to go out and do the work. You will not be successful if you try and cut corners, if you're trying to look for the easy way, and the easy way is $1.20 per ad watch. That's the easy way, and we see time and time again that the easy way does not work. I want you for 2024 to go out and say, I am no longer looking for easy. I am looking for something that's going to pay me, but paying me takes work. I'm sorry to go on that little rant there, but it's vitally important to realize that these types of shortcuts, these types of things aren't going to work in 2024. The things that I've mentioned, using ChatGPT, creating content, this is something that will work all over the world. Another question that I get all the time is, Alston, you only create content or talk about stuff that works in the US. The stuff that I talk about works globally. Again, a lot of people will make excuses that this is only going to work in the United States or in tier 1 countries. If you're willing to put in the work, this will work. This will work in whatever country you're in. You just need to go out and stop making excuses. Eliminate the excuses and say, I'm going to keep doing this until I am successful. Now that you have seen that this video, the original content creators video, will not work, watch this video next, because YouTube says it will help you grow your online business.